And out to the open! I just got information that my comics have been printed, so this is my attempt to go and fetch them. It's a very beautiful day outside, a little bit chilly, but I'm not freezing, so that's something positive. So let me go and get my comics. Much further than maybe 5 minutes away from my apartment, and I just realized I took extra pair of gloves with me. Like, I absolutely don't need this because I have like another pair of these kind of gloves and then these mittens. So yeah, way to start this successful, how can I say this, a successful hunt for my comics. This is actually like the first time I'm actually taking something from a advertisement agency, so this is pretty exciting. Very costly, but exciting. Look at all this snow and everything, it's so beautiful. Woo! Halfway there! If I would have been smart, I could have taken sunglasses, but instead I didn't. Like right now I'm thankfully in like a shade or shadow, but I just like the parts when I come to the city center from my student apartment. The entire way almost is like a sunshine in your face. So those people who are living like in a more exotic countries, yes, you do need sunglasses during the winter too. Especially when everything is so white and shiny and everything is just reflecting back at your face. Now the houses are blocking the sunlight, but regardless, sunglasses, no matter whether it's winter or summer. Only less than, I guess, 10 minutes to the advertising agency. Oh boy! The next question I'm wondering, how am I gonna take the comics safely back with me? There's gonna be 100 copies of them, 50 of Parlaci and 50 of chapter 1. And oh look! It's an ice-free zone! I wonder, can I show you this area? Nah, too many people. I'd rather not. Or if I just like, yeah. I'm currently walking on the main street of my studying city. So that's delightful. So, the comics. Also, can I just point out the fact that there are not many people currently around in a city center or whatever. Thankfully that way, because otherwise I bet there will be many people who are questioning what I'm doing, because I'm mumbling to myself and talking to myself and all the fun stuff. Oh, hi car. Also, may I point out the fact, oh hi, delightful music. May I also point out that whenever I'm in the shadow, it actually feels warmer than being in the light. That is very weird. Anyway, I'm only a couple of steps away from Same Eyes advertising agency, so okay, let's go. I actually get missed. At the bus stop, waiting for a bus to pick me up, and this is my super heavy box. It includes 100 comics inside of it. I could give you a peek, but because the people who are driving by are so noisy, I guess I save it up until I get back to my apartment, but yeah. This thing is like A3 sized, so it's pretty heavy. Let me tell you that. I don't know, can you see it? But like my hands are literally shaking. Oh boy. Now I just have to wait for the bus to arrive. And I have like half an hour. Yay. So, now I finally have the box back over my apartment. And this is roughly A3. I don't know, did I mention it last time? But mentioning it for the sake of reminder. So, it's only about to open this box, which almost was about to open a few times when I carried it all the way here, so... I wish the lighting was better, but look! Oh, let's take those gloves away. Yeah. Look at this! Here is like lots of comics. Prology and the chapter 1 of Blazing Will of the Heart, which is my comic. Look. This is something I will be selling this convention season. And what can I really say? Showing you a little bit how it looks like roughly. All the pages are hand-drawn, and the covers and mini illustrations here are made digitally. So, yeah. And this is my favorite panel so far.
So, if you wish to order one of these comics, the prices and email where you can send your orders to will be shown on the screen right now. This was something a little bit different than I normally do, so I hope you enjoyed this little silly video about me getting my freshly printed comics from the advertising agency. And now, as a reward for you watching this entire video through, let me provide you with some Blazing Will of the Heart related previews. These two bits are original character map part that I'm currently trying to finish within few upcoming weeks. And the second bit is... Oh wait! This is probably something you shouldn't be seeing just yet. So just for the sake of surprise, pretend that you didn't see anything. Oh, silly me. I wonder why I ever thought to show that in the first place.